Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn that how to send your dress catalog to Facebook leads on WhatsApp. Now here the idea is I am running a garment business, okay, and for that I am doing promotion on Facebook. How? I have created a Facebook page for my garment business, for my clothes store, and into that Facebook page I am running an awesome Facebook lead ad campaign. So here I have added a form, Facebook lead ad form. So every time a person is going to fill and submit this form, I want to send the dress catalog onto their WhatsApp. Now here you must be thinking that how is that possible and how I am going to do this process. So let me explain you. So here the first thing is, as I told you, I have created a Facebook page for my clothes store, and into that I am running the Facebook lead ad campaign. So every time a person is going to click on that advertisement, click on this ad, basically the form will pop up and a person is going to fill and submit this form, the new lead will be generated. So here you must be thinking, what is this term new lead will be generated? Basically the data which I am going to get once the form is submitted, that data is called as lead. For example, a person named John is filling my form. So the details of John, such as his name, email address and phone number, will be called as new lead. So every time a new lead is generated, I want to send a WhatsApp message to the person along with the dress catalog. Now here the issue is Facebook and WhatsApp do not have any native integration or any direct contact. So how I am going to do that? If I am going to perform this task manually, that every time a new lead is generated, I have to send the message manually by sorting out all the details. This process will be very much repetitive and tiresome. Why? Because if hundreds of leads are getting generated per day, I have to keep on sorting out the details and then keep on sending messages manually on WhatsApp. And that is why it is going to take a lot of time and it is very much unmanageable. So here I would suggest you to bring in some automation. How? Let me tell you that in this video we are going to use Pabbly Connect. Basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software. So with the help of Pabbly Connect, we will be able to integrate these to different software applications. So here what will happen is, Pabbly Connect will build a data flow between Facebook and WhatsApp. Here what will happen is, every time a new lead will be generated into Facebook, the message along with the dress catalog will be sent automatically on WhatsApp. Let me tell you with an example. If a person named John is filling my form, so once John is going to fill the form and submit it, the message along with the dress catalog will be sent to his WhatsApp automatically. Isn't it wonderful that just with the help of Pabbly Connect, we will be able to integrate these two software applications, and it is going to save a lot of time. But the best part here is, to use Pabbly Connect, you do not need to have coding skills and programming knowledge. It is actually very easy to use. Any non-technical person can also use Pabbly Connect really very easily. So now let us understand this complete process, that how I am going to build this automation on my screen along with a real-time example. Okay guys, so here you can see this is my Facebook account, and here I have created several pages. So let me show you. You can see these are the pages which I have created into my account. So the page which I have created for my garment business is this, the dress shop. I have named it as the dress shop, and you can see this is my Facebook page. So for this page only I am running an awesome Facebook lead ad campaign. So let me show you the form for which the form which I am using. So once we are going to click on publishing tools, it will take us to a page where we have to select more tools. So there I will be able to show you the form. Okay, so here at left side we are going to click on more tools, and here you can see there is this option named as instant form. So here you can see this is the form which I have created for my lead ad campaign. Okay, so here you can see this is the form. Perfect. So this form will be filled by the customers here. Let me preview the form as well once. Okay, so this is the form. So here the idea is, each and every time a person is going to fill and submit this form, the message will be sent on WhatsApp along with the brochure of my dress shop. Okay, So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you a real-time example how this process is actually going to work. For this, I'm going to fill and submit this form, and then we will directly check on WhatsApp if there is any message along with the PDF or along with the brochure or not. So for example, I am filling this form for a person named as Zoya Khan. Okay, let me fill the details here. Perfect. Okay, so these are all the details I just filled for Zoya Khan. Now let us click on next and let us click on submit. Perfect. So here you can see the form is just submitted. Let us check on WhatsApp if there is any message for Zoya or not. Perfect. Here you can see there is this message on WhatsApp for Zoya. Let us read it out. Hello Zoya Khan, thank you for showing your interest in the dress shop. Our team members will contact you shortly. And you can see this is the complete message. Along with that, you can see there is this link for the brochure. Let us click on the link here and I'm going to show you the brochure. So here you can see I have provided this brochure, I have created and saved this brochure into my Google Drive. So I'm using the same to send it on WhatsApp. So you can see after clicking on this link, this same PDF is sent to the customer automatically. So you can see this is the catalog which contains all the details of my garment shop. So this is the gist of the process, that every time a person is going to fill and submit this form, the message will be sent onto their WhatsApp along with this brochure, that too automatically. So here you must be thinking, how did I manage to perform this task, that as and when my Facebook lead ad form is going to submit it, the message is sending automatically to the customer along with the brochure. So here let me tell you that I followed 3 very simple steps and created this automation between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. So let me show you what are those steps so you can also follow the same and create this amazing automation. So guys, these are the 3 easy steps which I followed to create this amazing workflow between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. So the step 1 is connect Facebook lead ad form to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so for this, first we need to log in into Pabbly Connect. Then we need to connect our Facebook lead ad form account with Pabbly Connect. Then in the second step, we have to collect the data from Facebook lead ad form in Pabbly Connect. Now as we have connected our form with Pabbly Connect, we have to capture the same data into Pabbly Connect. For example, if we are going to fill and submit a form into our Facebook lead ad form, the same details are going to get captured here into Pabbly Connect. In the third step, we have to send the same data to WhatsApp as a new message via 360 dialog. Now here what we have to do is the data which is captured here into Pabbly Connect from Facebook, we have to transfer the same data to 360 dialog in order to send the message on WhatsApp. Now here you must be thinking, what is this term 360 dialog and why did I use that? So let me explain you here that WhatsApp does not allow us to send the messages directly. So that is why we are using WhatsApp's official API 360 dialog. So with the help of this software, we will be able to integrate WhatsApp with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so these are the steps which we need to follow. So I am going to tell you each and every step in detail on my screen. So keep watching this video till last. Okay guys, so to start with the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser, Pabbly, pabbly.com. So after searching for pabbly.com, here you can see this is the website of pabbly.com. Now we have to click on products, and at products we have to click on connect. So once we are going to click on connect, you can see this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. This is what we are going to use, Pabbly Connect. Now here I am going to click on sign in, as I have already created my account into Pabbly Connect. But if you are a new user and you have not created your account yet, you can create it just by signing up for free from here in 2 minutes. Okay, so I'm just going to click on sign in, and you can see this all apps window will appear. Now here to continue making with the workflow, I'm going to click on Pabbly Connect, and then I will be clicking on access now. So once I'm going to click on access now, you can see this dashboard will appear here. Okay, and at the top right corner there is a button named as create workflow. So we have to click on create workflow. This dialog box will appear. Now here we have to give a name to our workflow. So right now I'm going to give it as Facebook lead ads. Facebook lead ads, let me just correct it, lead ads to WhatsApp. Okay, So I'm just giving it according to our topic. You can always give the workflow name according to your choice also. So then we have to click on create. So once we are going to click on create, you can see this window will appear, and here you can see the title of our workflow is created. Along with that, there are two boxes on my screen. The first one is trigger, the second one is action. So here you must be thinking, what are they? Let me explain you that automation works on the concept of trigger and action. So trigger basically means when this happens, action means do this. Or we can also say that trigger is happening of an event and action is the response to it. According to our topic, the trigger will be when a form is submitted into Facebook lead ad campaign. When a form is submitted into the Facebook lead ad form, the action will be send a message on WhatsApp along with the brochure. Let us understand practically. So in the trigger window, in the choose app, first I am going to choose Facebook lead ads, this one. Okay. So after selecting Facebook lead ads, now I have to select the trigger event. So the trigger event will be new lead. So it means the trigger will be fired every time a new lead is going to get submitted. Now let us click on connect. So once we are going to click on connect, we need to connect Facebook lead ads account with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on add new connection, and then I am going to click on connect with Facebook lead ads. As I have already logged in into my account, it is going to get connected automatically. Perfect. So you can see once it is going to get connected, this page option will appear, and you can see there are all the page visible in of my account. Why? Because my account is now connected with Pabbly Connect. So all the page which are available into my account will be visible here. So the page, as I told you, which I have created for my garment business is this, the dress shop. So this is the same which I am going to choose here, which is the dress shop. Perfect. So once I'm going to click the select the page, the form will be selected automatically. Why? Because there is only one form which I have created. Now we have to click on save and send test request. Then it is going to capture the recent data which was filled into this form. So you can see we just entered the data for Zoya Khan. So this is the same captured here. Now for example, let us do a different entry here into my form, and then we will check if that same data is getting captured or not. Okay guys, so for example, we are filling this form for Tina John. So these are all her details. Now let us click on next and let's click on submit. Perfect. Now let us check into Pabbly Connect after clicking on save and send test request if the details for Tina John are captured or not. Perfect. Here you can see it just captured the data which was added recently. So this is how this trigger will be working, that each and every time the new data is going to get collected, it will capture here. Perfect. Now as we have the data, what is the next thing we have to do is we have to send a message on WhatsApp. So here in the action window, I am going to choose WhatsApp by 360 dialog. Okay. WhatsApp by 360 dialog. So as I told you, we are using WhatsApp's official API to send the messages, as WhatsApp do not allows us to send the messages directly. So in the action event, I am going to choose send template message. Then I am going to click on connect. So here what we have to do is we have to connect WhatsApp by 360 dialog account with Pabbly Connect. So for this, we have to click on add new connection. So once we are going to click on add new connection, you can see we have to provide this API key and domain name. So you must be thinking, what is this API key and what is this domain name and how we can provide it here? Don't worry, everything is provided into the help text here. So it is written, enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 dialog account. For this, you need to log in into your 360 dialog account, move to WhatsApp page from the left sidebar and click on generate API key button. Okay, so for this, we need to go to our 360 dialog account. Let me show you my account. Perfect. So here you guys can see this is my account and I have already created this. So you can see this is the dashboard here for 360 dialog. So here let me tell you one more thing, that if you too wish to create your account into 360 dialog, there is a link provided into the description of this video. You can go through that link and use see a video of how you can also create your account into 360 dialog and start sending messages on WhatsApp. Now my account is already created. I just need to connect it with Pabbly Connect. For this, I need to provide the API key. So we have to click on this WhatsApp accounts option, and here you can see there is this option named as generate API key. So you have to click on generate API key and then you need to generate the API key. So once it is going to get generated, you have to use the same API key here. Let me tell you that I have already generated my API key, so I am going to use the same. Now one more important thing you need to remember here is that you need to generate the API key only once. So once the API key is generated, you have to use the same into your workflows. Don't click on generate API key again and again, as it is going to create security issues and the workflow will not work properly. So that is why you have to create it once and you have to use the same. Okay. So now then you need to provide the domain name. So you can see the domain name is also provided into the help text. You can use the same. After providing both of these keys, you need to click on save and then your account will get connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here, as I have already made the connection, so I am going to choose existing connection, then I am going to click on save. So once I am going to click on save, my WhatsApp by 360 Dialog account will get connected to Pabbly Connect. So once it is going to get connected, you can see all the templates which are available into my account will be visible here. Now you must be thinking, what is this term template and what are they? So to explain you this, let me again take you to my 360 Dialog account, and here you can see there is this option named as manage templates. Let's click here. So templates are basically predefined messages which you need to create and approve from 360 Dialog in order to send the messages. So you can see there are already approved templates into my account, so I am going to use the same. So the template which I have created for this workflow is send brochure. So let me show you my template here. So this is the template which I have created. So its name is send brochure, and you can see this is the complete details. So I have provided some values here. So after selecting the template here, I have to provide all the details according to my template here into my workflow. So as you can see, this is my template which is send brochure. Let me use the same here, which is send brochure. So let's select the template, this one. Okay, so once I'm going to click on send brochure as my template, now I need to map the data according to my template. So let it download first. Done. Okay, so now we have to enter the data here by mapping. So you must be thinking, what is mapping and how it is done? So let me explain you that mapping basically is the data which is captured here into Pabbly Connect from Facebook lead at form. That same data will be available by like this into drop down accordion. So what we have to do is we have to select the data according to the field asked, and just by clicking once, that same data will be entered here. So let me show you by doing the mapping here. So first we have to map the mobile number. So we have to map the mobile number according to the instruction provided here, which is enter the recipient mobile number with country code, which is into this format. So we have to map the data, map the phone number, which is along with the country code and plus sign, country code and 10-digit valid WhatsApp number. So we already have the same data. I'm just going to map it like this. So you can see this is the data available here. You can see this is the phone number. Let's click here. Perfect. So you can see this was the same which was available here. I have provided the same here. Now what we have to do is we have to map the details, which is we have to provide the name here. So name I'm going to provide again. If we are going to click like this, you can see the name is here. We have to map the data. So you can see this is how mapping works. It is really very easy. Tina John, I have provided the name. Now we have to provide the name of our business. So it is ABC Garments. Okay. I'm just providing some details as an example to show you the process. So it is ABC Garments, the name of the store. I'm filling all the data according to my template. Okay. So here you can see I have to provide the name of which the person is interested. So he or she will be interested into my store. Okay. Now I need to provide the URL of the I have to provide the PDF link, the brochure which I am going to send. So as I told you, I have already created this brochure PDF into my Google Drive. So I'm just going to click here and I'm going to copy the link of this same document and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, then what I have to do here is I have to provide the name of my website. So I'm going to provide it as like this, the name of my website. You have to provide the data according to your needs as well. It's just my template is like this, so I'm providing the details like this. Okay, Now I provided the website here. I have to again provide the name of my business, which is ABC Garments. Okay. So I just provided all the data according to my template. So you can see I mapped all the data. So this was my template. Now let me tell you one more important thing here, which I forgot. Sorry. So here the thing is, if you do wish to create your template, you can create just by clicking on add template. You have to give the template name according to your choice and fill all these details. Then you need to provide the body. Body means the message you are planning to send. So once all the details are provided here, you have to click on preview and submit. And once you are going to submit your template for approval to Facebook, it basically takes the time of 30 minutes to 2 business days. So once it is going to approved, it will look like this. Then you can start using it. Simple. So here according to my template, we mapped all the data. Now let us click on save and send test request, and then we will check on WhatsApp if the message is sent or not. Okay, so I just clicked on save and send test request. Let's see the response here. Perfect, it is stable. Let's check on WhatsApp. Excellent. Here you can see this is the message for Tina John. Thank you for showing your interest in ABC Garments. And this is the complete message, and you can see the link is also provided. So let us click on this link, and you can see the PDF has started downloading, and you can see this brochure is now available to Tina John. So she can simply click on the link and this PDF will be available to her. Let it download so that I can show you. Perfect. So you can see this catalog is now available to Tina. So this means we have just successfully created our amazing workflow. Now let me tell you one more important thing here, that the trigger which we used here, new lead, is polling based. So it basically takes the time of 2 to 15 minutes for it to capture and send the data, which means once the form is going to get filled and submitted, the message maybe take the time of 2 minutes to 15 minutes to be sent. So it is polling based, so that is why it is going to take some time. So you do not need to worry there. So I was saying that let us check it on real time if the workflow is running smoothly or not. So for this again, I'm going to submit this form, and then we will check on WhatsApp if the message to the person along with this brochure is sending or not. So let us submit the form here. Okay guys, so I just entered the details. So for example, we are filling this form for a person named as Sam John. So these are all his details. So let us click on next, and then let us submit the form. Perfect. Let's check on WhatsApp if there is any message for Sam or not. There is no message. So as I told you, the trigger is polling based, so it may take a bit time. So now let us check after 5 minutes. Okay, so after 5 minutes, let's check if there is any message for Sam John or not. Perfect. Here you can see now the message is here for Sam John. Let us read it out. So it is written, "Hello Sam John, thank you for showing your interest in ABC Garments." And you can see this is how mapping works. The data is getting changed automatically along with the person. And you can see this is the complete message, and this is the link of the brochure. So again, as and when we are going to click on link, you can see this PDF will be available for the person who is filling the form. So you can see the same is sent. This means our workflow is running smoothly. So now let us understand the process into a nutshell. So for this, let me minimize the windows here. Okay, so this is our workflow which we just created. So with the help of Pabbly Connect, we successfully integrated Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp by 360 Dialog in order to send the messages on WhatsApp. So for the first, in the trigger window, we choose Facebook lead ads and we captured all the data. Then in the second step, after capturing all the data, according to our template, we mapped all the data, and in this way our workflow was created. Now let me tell you one more amazing thing here, that the workflow which I have just created, this link of this same workflow will be available into the description of this video. So you can simply copy the link and clone this amazing workflow into your Pabbly Connect account and start using it just for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate plenty of applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. This was all for today's video. If you have any feedback, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com, or you can also ask your queries at this link here. And if you want to check the price for Pabbly Connect, you can check the price from here, this link, and automate your business. If you like our video, do not forget to press the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. And for more such videos, you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.